Former Arkansas Sheriff's Deputy Michael Davis has been found guilty of negligent homicide in the death of Hunter Brittain. Arkansans have actually been following the case, and it's been followed nationally as well. Reporter Ian Taylor has a full wrap of the events.
In June 2021, 17-year-old Hunter Brittain and passenger Jordan King were pulled over by Lonoke County Sergeant Michael Davis. According to an affidavit, Brittain got out of the car and he moved to the truck bed as it rolled backwards. Davis shot one round at Brittain in his lower right neck. He later died. King said he never heard any commands from Davis, but Davis told authorities he did give commands. Davis was fired for failing to activate his body cam until after shots were fired. Brittain's family took the incident to trial. The trial began Monday. Davis eventually took the stand as he recounted what happened. He was questioned about his character. His former boss, Sheriff John Staley, was a witness for the prosecution and told the jury that Davis had issues with turning on his body cam in the past. Friday, the case went to the jury. They deliberated for 2 hours before reaching a verdict of guilty of negligent homicide instead of the original felony manslaughter charge.
What the jury said is that a law enforcement officer in uniform committed a crime. And the jury has said that Hunter Brittain was unlawfully killed by Michael Davis. That's what this jury says, and that's a strong finding.
Some in the courtroom disagreed with the sentence of a year in jail and a $1,000 fine.
I was not happy. All I wanted from day one is for him to get a felony where he could not be in law enforcement again and carry a weapon. That's all I asked for.
Brittain's grandmother, Rebecca Payne, spoke with reporters saying it wasn't enough.
Now what's going to happen? Are people going to have to fear for their life again? Once he gets back, because you know he'll go back to the force.
Following the sentencing, Davis's attorney says juries often go with a lesser charge.
I was hoping for a not guilty verdict on both charges. I'll say I'm not necessarily surprised by that verdict.
All right, that was Ian Taylor reporting. Hunter Brittain's family plans to continue to tell his story to keep his memory alive. Now, moving forward, both Brittain's family and Michael Davis will also be involved in separate civil lawsuits against the Lonoke County Sheriff's Office.
Lonoke County Sheriff John Staley did release a statement saying he respected the jury's decision and that it was a tragic event. Meantime, the attorneys for Hunter Brittain's family released a statement as well, calling for the resignation or ousting of Sheriff Staley. They said Hunter and the public deserved better.